Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw your earnings from USDT mining miner in 2025. If you're into crypto mining, you know how exciting it is to see your rewards pile up, but getting them out can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and quickly. First things first, make sure you have a USDT mining miner account set up and that you've met the minimum withdrawal threshold. This is usually around 10 USDT, but double check in your dashboard to avoid any surprises. Once you're ready, start by logging into your account using your secure credentials. Security is key here, so always use two-factor authentication if it's available. Next, navigate to the Withdraw or Wallet section. It's often right on the main dashboard. Select USDT as your withdrawal currency. This ensures your funds go straight to your crypto wallet. Now, enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Pro tip: double-check this address to prevent any costly mistakes. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's within your available balance. After that, review the transaction details, including any fees involved. Networks like Tron or Ethereum might charge a small gas fee. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Processing times can vary, but in 2025, with improved blockchain tech, it should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. One more thing. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, and keep an eye on market volatility since USDT is a stablecoin tied to the US dollar. If you run into any issues, reach out to USDT Mining Miners support team. There you have it, folks. With these steps, you'll be withdrawing your USDT like a pro. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.